It's your North Central Regional Forecast, and I'm meteorologist Susie Martin. Quite an incredible spread with our temperatures as we are tracking two very contrasting air masses. A lot of warmth feeding up into a storm system that's allowing temperatures to spike in the 80s. Talk about spring fever from Chicago into Detroit. Meanwhile, cool temperatures feeding back into the northern plains and into parts of Minnesota, and that contrast triggering rounds of storms. We've got temperatures running about 20 or so degrees above the average in Milwaukee and Chicago. The warmest temperatures of the season for sure, versus temps that are running about 10 degrees or so below the norm behind this storm system. And the winds are definitely looking pretty strong, gusts up to 30+ miles per hour from Milwaukee to Chicago. And in some cases, this is elevating the fire weather. We do have elevated fire concerns today across Michigan into Indiana, Ohio, and even parts of Illinois. But also severe weather is an issue as we see strong thunderstorms really developing between these two contrasting air masses. And we've got a boundary and disturbance that's going to be setting off rounds of strong thunderstorms, especially across southwestern Iowa and into the central plains. That's where some of the strongest of storms will be in progress, and still looking at rather stormy weather into tomorrow as well. You can see the storms firing up. They could be strong at times as kind of triggered along that boundary, and still very similar areas will be impacted by these thunderstorms for tomorrow, with again more severe weather possible, this time extending into Chicago and Michigan.